California is still dealing with rain this morning, but the threat today is actually going to be in the form of downpours and thunderstorms. And we're going to be talking more about that coming up just after 6 o'clock here on Good Day Oregon. Up to the north, though, we're starting off with mainly dry conditions and a lot of clear sky as well. Look at the view from our Willamette Valley Vineyards camera where we can see some of the stars out there in the South Salem Hills. 40 degrees with a breezy north wind gusting up to about 11 miles per hour. So the breeze is helping to keep most of us clear of fog west of the Cascades, but we do have some low clouds and fog developing on the east end of the gorge, extending into the Columbia River Basin where temperatures are in the mid to upper 30s. So luckily that will not be freezing fog if you deal with dense fog out there. 15 in Burns, 27 in Baker City. Most of us west of the Cascades are above freezing, but the exception is Eugene and Roseburg, right around freezing out there. Here's another live look from our Shiloh Inns camera in Seaside. Look at that moonlight out there kind of illuminating the Pacific Ocean. Nice view out there with the temperature of 44 degrees. It's going to be a relatively warm day along the coast with that breezy east wind keeping the skies mainly clear. It's also going to dry out the air, that east wind. So when we have drier air, temperatures fluctuate more rapidly. That's why we're thinking highs will be in the mid to upper 50s with cloudier skies late in the day. Our western valleys will see increasing clouds late in the day, but otherwise a lot of sunshine with highs in the low to mid 50s. The windiest weather will occur near the gaps of the coast, or excuse me, the gaps of the Cascades, including the gorge. The west end of the gorge could gust up to 50 miles per hour today. If you're near the mouth of the gorge in the metro area, we could have gusts between about 35 to 45 miles per hour, but in most cases it won't be that windy west of the Cascades. Temperatures will end up in the low to mid 50s across, low to mid 40s across the gorge. The Mount Hood area will see some late day cloud cover, but a lot of sunshine before that. Some of those clouds could produce some scattered showers with temperatures rising into the 30s and 40s. In central and eastern Oregon, we'll see some mixed showers, mainly in south central and central Oregon. Points to the north should be mainly dry today with highs in the 30s and 40s. Our 7-day forecast shows that we have more rain coming in mainly Wednesday afternoon, evening through Thursday. We have some scattered showers coming in Friday into early Saturday, but I think the first half of the weekend will be drier than the back half of the weekend with highs in the low to mid 50s. Tony?